In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off sticky keys in Windows 11 or Windows 10 on your PC. Sticky keys is an accessibility feature that lets you press keyboard shortcuts one key at a time, instead of holding them down together. For example, instead of holding Ctrl, Alt, and Delete at the same time, you can press them one after another. That can be helpful for some people, but for most users, it becomes annoying, especially when it turns on accidentally after pressing the Shift key several times in a row. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to completely turn it off, and also how to stop it from popping up again in the future. First, let's open the Windows settings. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter I together. This shortcut quickly opens the settings window on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you prefer using your mouse, you can also click the Start button and then click the gear icon, or select Settings from the menu. Once Settings is open, look for the section related to accessibility. On Windows 11, this is usually labeled Accessibility on the left side. On Windows 10, it may be called Ease of Access. Go ahead and click that. This area controls features designed to make your computer easier to use, including keyboard options like sticky keys. Next, in the Accessibility or Ease of Access section, find and select Keyboard. This will open a page with several keyboard-related settings. Here, you should see an option for sticky keys. There will be a main switch that lets you turn sticky keys on or off. If it's currently on, click the switch to turn it off. This stops the feature from being active right away. However, to prevent sticky keys from turning on accidentally, we need to change one more setting. Under the Sticky Keys option, look for the setting that says something like Allow the shortcut key to start sticky keys, or press Shift key 5 times to turn on sticky keys. Uncheck this box or turn this toggle off. This ensures that even if you tap the Shift key repeatedly, Windows will not activate sticky keys again. Once you've done that, you can simply close the settings window. Your changes are saved automatically. From now on, keyboard shortcuts will only work when you press all the keys together, and you won't get unexpected sticky keys pop-ups while you're gaming, typing, or working. That's all you need to do to turn off sticky keys in Windows 11 or Windows 10.